When utility power isn't available, power up the GP3500 IO generator and trust in its long run time to keep your workday moving. And when you're ready to wrap up, just grab the generator and go. Now 25% lighter, taking the GP3500 IO from one place to the next is easier than ever. When charging your sensitive electronics, trust in our True Power technology to power your devices safely. The GP3500 IO portable generator provides the power you need wherever and whenever you need it.
Champion Power Equipment's 3500-watt digital hybrid portable generator with quiet technology is one of the most innovative products on the market. A smaller, quieter, lighter, and better overall generator. With integrated digital components found in more advanced inverters and a more efficient mechanical design, Champion's digital hybrid generator is 50% quieter and 20% lighter than a traditional 3500-watt generator. Perfect for using with your RV or as a convenient source of backup power around the house. This unit comes travel ready with a standard 30 amp RV outlet and enough power to start and run a 15,000 BTU RV air conditioner. And during a power outage, this unit can provide enough backup power to run the essential items you need in an emergency. Your lights, sump pump, refrigerator, fan, computer, TV and internet, and more. This generator has an intelligent eco mode that monitors power consumption in real time. As the electrical demand is reduced, the engine automatically idles down, allowing for quieter operation, extended engine life, and higher fuel economy. In eco mode, the digital hybrid generator provides up to 17 hours of runtime on a full tank of gas. This unit is also parallel ready and can connect with another hybrid generator or compatible Champion inverter using a Champion parallel operation kit for increased power output. Champion's innovative 3500-watt digital hybrid portable generator. Your perfect choice for quiet, clean, portable power.
Westinghouse, innovation you can be sure of.
Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 4,000-watt RV-ready dual-fuel digital hybrid open-frame inverter. This unit can run on propane or gasoline straight out of the box. Perfect for recreational use with your RV, providing power for your next project, or for emergency backup power around the house. Using quiet technology, this open-frame inverter generator is 50% quieter and 20% lighter than a traditional 3,500-watt generator. This unit comes travel ready with a standard 30 amp RV outlet and enough power to start and run a 15,000 BTU RV air conditioner. 12-volt DC outlet accessories include a dual-port USB adapter and a pair of automotive-style battery charging cables. You can also connect another compatible generator or inverter using a Champion parallel operation kit for increased power output. And it's powerful enough to run your essential household items during a power outage. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the inverter. Add oil to the inverter. Move the inverter outside. Add gasoline to the inverter. Or connect your propane supply. Start the inverter. And plug in your desired equipment. Champion's innovative 4,000 watt dual fuel digital hybrid open frame inverter. Your perfect choice for quiet, lightweight, portable power.
A truly powerful workhorse generator. This is the WGen 7500 by Westinghouse. An open-frame portable generator producing up to 9,500 peak watts and up to 7,500 running watts. The dependable OHV Westinghouse engine delivers long run times, making it an ideal choice for home backup power with plenty of ways to connect, including the transfer switch-ready twist lock outlet and 2 dual 120-volt outlets. The push-button start, remote start key fob, digital data center, and host of built-in safety features make it a smart, versatile solution to your portable power needs. The WGen 7500 portable generator by Westinghouse. Power when you need it, power where you need it.